Hey guys, it's Cooking with Renee again, and I'm going to be showing you this simple mozzarella, cucumber, tomato, and basil balsamic salad. You can use it on the side of any dish or take it for lunch like I do. So if you want to learn how I do this, then keep on watching. Now you're going to want to use string cheese. String cheese is simple and easy. They're the perfect size. You're going to need cherry tomatoes, cucumber, basil, of course some balsamic, and I like to add pepper because I like a little bit of a kick to it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the string cheese. I use about 3 to 4 depending on how much I'm gonna make, but again, like, I like to make this ahead of time and put it in the fridge to meal prep. I also don't usually add the balsamic until I'm ready to eat it, but because this was for the video, I'm going to go ahead and add it. But you just chop up the mozzarella sticks in bite-sized pieces. Super easy. Then I'm going to go ahead and start with basil, which I didn't obviously record, but you're just going to chop that up. You can chop it or julienne it. I also chopped up my cucumbers, which also didn't record, so I apologize. But again, all about the same size. I do show how I cut it, but I don't chop it. I basically cut the cucumber in half and then cut it into 4s. Well, I cut it in half and then I cut each half into 3 little slivers, and then I chop it up. So then I'll make 3 cuts in each cucumber and then chop it. I like to start off with the ingredients that is less messy. So I started off with the cheese because that doesn't make my cutting board very messy. Then I went with the basil, and then I went with the cucumber, and then of course tomatoes last because of course all the seeds and stuff. So that's the order I went into, but it's completely up to you on how you'd like to cut it. And then for the little cherry tomatoes, I just cut them in 4s. So I'll slice it in half and then another half. Just again, so everything's about the same exact bite size. And like I said, this is a really good, easy meal prep if you want something light, especially for the summer. You know, it's really hot, super easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and combine all of the ingredients. I like to first start off with the main ingredients, just mix them up so that it's all well combined. And then I'll sprinkle on the basil. And again, I only used about 3 or 4 leaves. It's up to you. If you don't like basil, don't use it. It tastes just as great without it. And when it marinates in the fridge, it gets all that flavor. So then I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of pepper. Again, optional. You don't have to use it. I just like that little bite at the end. And then I'm just going to sprinkle on some balsamic. You don't need a lot for this, but if you really like balsamic, then go ahead and put on a lot. But you just need enough to coat everything, and you'll get a little bit of flavor of all of it. And that's pretty much it. And then I'll just go ahead and pack it in my to-go meals for lunch, and they're simple. And it's the most flavorful dish you'll ever have. So I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!